Kansas professor facing deportation. Tonight his family is rallying for him, hoping for a chance to explain why he should stay in the United States.
Keep fighting. This gives us a chance to fight, and that's all we asked for, is give us a shot in court. We have a very, very strong case.
Tonight, a judge says a metro area professor can stay in the country a little bit longer.
Right now, he's in El Paso, Texas, where he is scheduled to be deported from the country and sent back to Bangladesh. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Blake joining us live now at the immigration court in downtown Kansas City. So, Sarah, what does this stay mean for Jamal?
Well, the next step in this is that the Department of Homeland Security has to issue their response by February 15th. And as we heard, Jamal's family just wants their day in court, and they will get it. At first, they didn't think they were going to. And so ultimately, that judge will hear the case and decide Jamal's future. On the verge of being deported, Lawrence professor and father Syed Jamal will be able to stay in the U.S. for the time being.
If the judge rules, once the judge reviews the case and it rules in our favor, that would be the best outcome.
Jamal's attorneys filed a stay of removal on Monday after ICE agents arrested him 2 weeks ago as he was taking his daughter to school. On Wednesday, Judge Glenn Baker granted the stay of removal, meaning the Department of Homeland Security must respond within the next week, and then the judge will hear the case. At a news conference on Thursday, his family begged for help.
I want him to come home so that I can see him, because I really miss him.
We're trying to stay strong, and we're doing everything we can to get him back.
ICE says Jamal overstayed his visa, but he'd been granted permission to stay with supervision. That required him to check in with authorities and not break the law. Jamal is a chemistry professor and has lived in Kansas with his wife for 31 years.
He has a work permit that is valid until October of 2018, and he has an interest in that work permit. He has showed up to every check-in and done everything that they asked him to do.
Because immigration laws recently shifted, ICE decided Jamal was a priority, but his family hopes the judge will see their side.
He's a low priority individual. I mean, he's teaching future generations of doctors, engineers, scientists.
It's like I don't have anything to stand on. I'm just hoping and praying and crying and searching for people who can help me.
And it could be weeks until the judge hears his case. Until then, he will be in custody. But right now, we don't know if they're going to move him any closer here to Kansas City. In downtown KC, I'm Sarah Blake, 41 Action News.
Jamal's case gained national attention and thousands of followers online. Some of those people even came out to march for him today in Lawrence and go for this peace walk. Local leaders are following suit. Today, Congressman Emanuel Cleaver sent letters to the president and ICE. He told 41 Action News this possible deportation is an embarrassment.
This incident cries out to the Congress of the United States to pass a comprehensive immigration plan. This is ridiculous.
Congressman Cleaver says he's drafting legislation that would address similar cases. And we've been following this story since the news broke. And of course, we'll keep you updated as any new developments happen. You can check all of the former stories and today's developments on our website, kshb.com.